What is up guys, it's Shyman here, and today we're gonna talk about the brand new keyboard from Redragon, and this is the K567 Rahu RGB mechanical gaming keyboard. This keyboard is only under $70, and here you can see that it has a CIY feature that we will check later. It is a full end key rollover with 12 multimedia keys and with a gold-plated USB. You can disable Windows keys so you won't bring yourself out of the game. Let's start off with what's included in the box. The keyboard itself is nicely protected with foam bag and a bubble wrap. First of all, you'll get the manual, then the wrist rest, a switch remover, a keycap puller, and 2 shiny thumb screws for the wrist rest. My first impression is that it feels very sturdy. The frame is pretty thick and feels very solid. The weight is significantly heavier than the ones I've reviewed in the past, which I like a lot. The case itself is built of full aluminum alloy that adds to overall sturdiness of the keyboard. And of course, obviously there's zero flex to it. The keyboard is standard 104 key layout, which provide full end key rollover and 100% anti-ghosting. However, it does pick up some fingerprints, but personally it's fine, since there's not much area on the top. On the bottom, you'll find 2 flip-up feet with rubber ends, and also on the bottom, you'll see a pair of big rubber pads, which is very grippy even when using the feet. There are also drainage holes on the bottom, just in case you ever spill anything on it. On the back, it has a non-detachable cable. The included wrist rest is great. It also has 3 rubber pads for non-slip. I like the honeycomb design. It feels nice when my palm is resting on it. It has pretty decent keycaps. They are double-shot ABS keycaps. The first shot plastic extends all the way down, giving it thick keycaps, which is nice. The top of the keycaps is kinda smooth textured with matte finished, while the sides are glossy, which makes the LED shine brighter because of the reflection of the lights around that you may like. The font is nice and simple. I really like the clean look. Underneath the keycaps, you'll have Optimo blue switches. They are clones of Cherry MX switches. Optimo is very stable and it barely wobbles. The click is sharper and more pronounced, and a little bit more than Cherry MX Blue, but louder. And here's a quick sound test. You can actually purchase this with Optimo brown or red switches as well, but they are not yet available right now. The typing experience felt nice with the aluminum plate. The switches on this keyboard are customizable, so you can change the switch by pulling the old switches and plug the new switches with no desoldering needed. Unfortunately, I don't have switches that I can try right now. The lighting is stored on board, but I'm pretty sure that it comes with a software because that's what it says on the manual. Unfortunately, the software for this is not yet available to be downloaded online. For now, you'll need to use the user manual, and as usual, you can control it via the function key. The arrow keys allow you to control the brightness level and direction of the lighting effect. You can change the speed of the effect with the plus and minus keys with the up and down symbols on them. There are a total of 18 light modes for you to choose from. FN and Insert has the trial of light, breathing, and normally on effect. FN and Home has the ripple graph, Pass Without Trace, and Coastal Effect. FN and Page Up has the Hurricane, Accumulate, and Digital Times Effect. FN and Delete has the Go with the Stream, Clouds Fly, and Winding Effect. FN and End has the Flowers Blooming, Snow Winter Shine, and Winter Action Effect. FN and Page Down has the Both Ways, Surmount, and Fast and the Furious Effect. You can change any color for these lighting effects by pressing Function and space. It will bring up the color palette. Then you can press any desired key to change it into a single color backlit as the key color. To set your lighting effect, you have to press FN and tilde. It will look like this. Press the FN and tilde again. You'll know right away that it is recording when these three indicators are blinking. Press FN and tilde again to save. It also features a unique side glow on the keyboard. The side glow LED lighting is also RGB, in which you can match the back lighting. You can change up to 4 light effects through FN and Print Screen, Go with the Stream, Spectrum, 7 Color Breathing, Normally On. You can turn it off if you don't want that beautiful glow on the sides by hitting it one more time. To reset it back to factory settings, you'll need to press FN and Escape first, then hit F1, F3, and F5. I am really loving this keyboard. You get all the great features of a good mechanical keyboard. The full metal build is rock solid without being massive. I like the sleek design. The lighting is quite vibrant and you have a lot of options in terms of backlighting. Not only can you customize the switches, but you can also customize the backlighting. But the side glow of my keyboard always reset back to default effect whenever I turn on my computer, which sometimes I kinda find it annoying. But it's not really an issue though. The keycaps has glossy sides that some of you may or may not like, so keep that in mind. You get incredible flexibility in switch types, in backlighting options, full end key rollover, side glow, and more. I hope I could get the ones with the brown and red switches for our future videos. Please don't forget to subscribe, and if you want to help and support the channel, please use my links in the description. It won't cost you extra and it will help me make more videos for you guys. Follow me on Twitter and Facebook just for fun. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. Till next time, God bless.